JustPerfection extension now supports GNOME Shell 41. As you can see, this is GNOME Shell 41 beta. I won't release it on Extensions website anytime soon, but you can build it manually if you want to have it on GNOME Shell 41. Current version on Extensions website has the Window Picker caption and Window Picker icon option. I also added Window Close button option. GNOME Shell 41 has Hot Corner option in GNOME settings. I probably should remove this option for GNOME Shell 41. Additional to panel button padding size, you have the new panel indicator padding size. The other options should also work as expected. If you have any problems with it, please report it on GGO. By the way, I'd let you know the end of support for GNOME Shell 41 after the next release of Ubuntu. At the moment, we have 15 extensions supporting GNOME Shell 41. If you need any help with your extension, you can ask us on GNOME Matrix channel. As always, if you want to support my work, the Patreon link is in the description. Thanks.